Friends, hello. I hope you are well. Let's talk about Soundhound and what we can expect finishing off this year. Now, obviously, we've still got some months here left in this year that has been very, very good to AI. And as of right now, in this short-term period, we're seeing massive sell-off. And that's okay, because where there's sell-off, that leaves opportunity. And that's exactly what you need to be paying attention right now. Not when, not that there's devastation or blood on the streets. Just look at this as an opportunity. So with Soundhound here, Soundhound has been doing very good with quarterlies. It's been doing good with building up better earnings. So with that, Soundhound is still not one of these AI stocks that is coming out with these, $28 billion quarterlies. It's not nothing like that. It's not a Palantir. It's not an Nvidia, nothing like that. But it is a AI stock that, especially this year, has gotten a lot more attention for good reason. Not to mention that Nvidia is investing in them and working with them. And those are two companies that really, what better company could you ask to be a part of when it comes to AI companies? Soundhound working with Nvidia, Nvidia working with Soundhound. But we are seeing a trend happen here with Soundhound in their earnings, their profit. It's going up. It's going up. That's what we're wanting to look at here. So their next quarterly is going to be on November 14th. Now, that's still 2 months away, but in that, we could see more devastation start to rip through Soundhound here. Maybe, depending where this market kind of goes here. So, and that's the problem right now. It's very hard to say where the market is going. Many people believe that we're already in the midst of a recession, that we're already watching this being played out. It's already being placed into the market. So that's kind of good in a way, because if this is the worst it's going to get, well, I think we can handle this. So right now with Soundhound being down, and I hate to say it's even down because, 3 months ago, this would have been like, oh, okay, we'll take this. Soundhound sitting at this $4.30 mark. We'll just say this is still very high where Soundhound has been playing around. It's still in a very good position. Now, personally, what I do believe is going to happen here, I believe Soundhound is going to finish off the year strong with quarters here. It's going to finish with a good earnings. Now, with that, we potentially will be seeing another run in AI stocks here. We're just waiting, and a lot of that depends on where Nvidia is going to go next. I think everyone's looking at Nvidia. It's still the top of the charts. It's still the horse that's there in the front, leading the pack. We're waiting for Nvidia to really move forward, and a lot of it depends on when their new chip comes out. Obviously, it's been delayed, but it will be coming out here very soon from what we're being told. So with that, talking about Nvidia being the big horse in the lead here, I believe that Soundhound here is going to be the dark horse coming up from the pack. I really do believe that. I believe that Soundhound is going to continue to push up on quarterlies. I believe it's going to push up on companies that it's working with. I believe also that these other AI companies are going to start to want to work with Soundhound, because here's what we're seeing. Not only is Soundhound working with all these other just random companies from, Starbucks to all these fast food chains, but also AI companies. You have the AI companies coming to this AI company. So it puts Soundhound in this very good middle ground where they're getting money from everyone, not just one particular category, but a lot of different categories. And that is what you want to be seeing here. That's what you want to see. So right now, my concern is not Soundhound selling off. My concern is, how much can I get in the Soundhound here before the next 6 months we could possibly see a heavy bull market and an AI run in the market? Whether whoever is president at that point, I don't think any of them can damage or stop what's coming here with the next run in AI stocks. So why is that so important when I talk about the next run in AI stocks? Because we've already seen the first one. And we know this next phase of AI stocks, when they really start to tap into this next generation of AI, even Tesla to that situation, what they're about to do. But Microsoft, all of them, my God, Amazon is focusing strictly on AI right now. But it's going to create a shortage at the dinner table. It's going to create a FOMO. So you're going to have people buying the small AI cap stocks like Soundhound AI stocks that are going to be cheap, and maybe they don't even know. They see Soundhound and they go, what's this? I don't care. They work with NVIDIA, great. They don't know anything about it. They don't know anything about the quarterlies, what they do whatsoever. Okay, there's a lot of investors like that. So you're going to have shares be bought up just like that, just on the premise of people just are just like, I just want to be part of this, whatever. Because there's a feeding frenzy out there in the zeitgeist of what's going on in the market, and people just want to catch something early enough to where they can sell it off and hold it. Now, and then there's going to be people like me, like other people that are in Soundhound, been in Soundhound, who are going to really reap the benefits because we're buying in very low and we're keeping for a pretty long time. Now listen, I'm not saying Soundhound is going to be the next Palantir. I'm not saying it's going to be the next NVIDIA. But what I am looking for in the next 12 months here with Soundhound is it to turn into a double-digit stock. Whether that is $10 to $20, I think those are very real possibilities. If Soundhound can really shoot up their revenue going into 2025 here, to where instead of these 13 millions, even 17 million quarterlies that we've seen in the past, what if Soundhound starts to dip into these $50 million quarterlies here? What if they start to really tap into, a minimum of $30 million quarterlies? That's when we're really going to see other companies and other investors go, okay, something's going on over here at Soundhound. We're seeing some major revenue really increase. Now, what is that going to do as well? It's going to really shoot up the popularity on YouTube, TikTok, where people are going, hey, have you heard of this company, Soundhound? And friends, this is how things get really expensive really fast. So this, if you can listen to me yap about anything, I just at least tell you just to watch what's going on over here at Soundhound. Obviously, I don't want to tell anybody to buy something. I'm just trying to say, look at this. Look at this little gold nugget over here that's still being chipped away at. We don't know what's still left in the dirt right now. But one thing is for certain, Soundhound is not slowing down. This is the AI company that is increasing on a yearly basis. It's getting more popular. It's capturing more deals, and it's about to go right into this big feeding frenzy that's about to take place once again here, probably within the next 6 months, of the stock market going berserk. And guess what's going to be leading the charge with the stock market going berserk? AI companies once again. Friends, I wish you all the best of luck with this. Please watch what is going on over here with Soundhound. Do your own due diligence, read about it, look up charts, look up quarterlies, look up what's already coming down the pipeline for 2025. Please do yourself a favor and you will thank me in about 2 to 3 years. Friends, take care. Bye-bye.